Well, starting to get all our stuff in. Brand new distributor. REFI kit, fuel pump. I only got one over here right now, but both of our fuel tanks are here. And this thing was missing, but I found a new dual tank adapter. Okay, I just had to correct myself real quick. I called that an adapter, but it's actually the dual tank switching valve. So we'll still be able to run the original dual tank setup. New plugs and wires. Coming along. So should have some videos coming out pretty soon of us installing all that. We'll probably start with the distributor and plugs and wires. That should be pretty quick and easy. And then we can work on the EFI system, which I'm just gonna rig up the exhaust sensor just temporarily in order to make it work for now until we can get the cab off and have easier access for running a new exhaust.